Stuff that's made to be replaced rather than repaired is the bane of anyone who feels the world is filling up with trash. Trashy electronics, trashy furniture, trashy toys, the list goes on. Well, the Bauer has decided to do something about it by providing the knowledge to repair rather than replace these things.
This organization is specializing in reuse and repair of old items, for electronic appliances and furnitures in the first place. And we have realized that a lot of knowledge about repair has been lost over the years and over the generations. Right. So they come and the younger people bring their broken toaster, whatever it is, but they have to learn to do it themselves.
Yes, I've got a toaster. I think it was my parents'. It was made in November 1959. It's written on the inside.
November 1959?
Yeah.
And you just had it fixed?
Yes.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
So it's got another 30 years to go.
Probably.
These are the times. These are the times when we got to concern ourselves with the affluent society that just wants to chuck everything away. And as these people here are quite passionate about reducing landfill, and so there are many reasons to get on board here. So if you like working with your hands and fixing things, then give the Bauer a try.